we move forward with the dreams of a new dawn. The energy that glows with the sun, the gentle touch of the wind, and the rhythm of the flowing river. All remind us of the limitless power of nature. At the University of Engineering or Management, Jaipur, we channel this power into innovation. Here, we offer B.Tech in electrical engineering, with a special focus on renewable energy resources. Students learn how solar panels bring light to the world, how the wind turns mighty turbines, and how the shimmering flow of water transforms into clean electricity. With advanced laboratories, dedicated research opportunities, and world-class education, we don't just create engineers, we inspire the change makers of tomorrow.